Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a two-cylinder push-pull compressed air engine. This is the engine. It has two cylinders, one here, one here. Each cylinder has a hose that lets compressed air in and out of the cylinder, and these cylinders share a single piston between them. And what they do is they push this piston back and forth between them, like this. That's why it's called a push-pull engine. So this is what the piston looks like. It has two identical ends, each with a piston ring and a cap. And then what the two cylinders do is they push this piston back and forth between them. So each of our two cylinders has a set of valves that control the flow of compressed air in and out of the cylinder. Each cylinder has an intake valve to let compressed air into the engine and an exhaust valve to let the compressed air back out. So one set of valves for one cylinder, another set of valves for the other cylinder. The opening and closing of these valves and the timing of the engine is controlled by this little circuit board here. Earlier this year, we built a single cylinder compressed air engine. Here's a clip of what it looks like. The two-cylinder compressed air engine is an improvement on this. It's more efficient because it generates power in both directions for the piston, and it is more efficient with its use of compressed air, and it runs at a lower pressure. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the two-cylinder push-pull compressed air engine.